Oh, 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 oh. He's dead. You see that where that other bird went? Remember
another long beard?
He's long. He had about 8 hands. Hey. If you can't call him, you gotta crawl him, baby. Where you going, man?
He went down the thicket, didn't he?
I wish you'd have brought your gun and crawled up there with me. Could have doubled.
Was they strutting?
They was moving. They was going to roost. We timed that just right.
Was
They
they?
was in front. They was leaving them here.
Yes, sir. Man, I tell you what, that was good. There was 2 long bears.
I was trying to see which one was bigger. They was both about the same. 2 of them. About 6 hands. They was in front of them.
No wonder they wasn't gobbling. 6 hands. Matt, what'd you have to do?
I had to crawl a long ways. I'm out of shape.
Look, I got it all on video, I'm pretty sure. Yes, sir.
I was trying to hear him drumming, and every time I stopped, all I could hear was my heart beating in my ears. Boom, 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 boom. I was like, God.
They didn't strut not one time.
When I first crawled up, I didn't see nothing. I could see this, and I could see part of that. They was behind that little patch of trees, every turkey in the field. And by that time I seen them I thought I scared them. There might have been a Jake or either one of these long beards. They was running each other because they come running around. I said, oh my goodness, they done busted me. And then,
No, you had the sun. You
and
had
then
the
I
sun.
seen they was walking straight to me. I said, oh my goodness, they got on this tree line. That's when I looked at you and I was like, you got to get down. And I could see them plain as day, and I just went, and I was like, you got to get down.
Oh, I laid down like a log.
They are coming. And when they started walking, they walked. I thought they might have caught a glimpse of me right there, but I think they could just see. They were just looking. They got right up there, mowed him down right there. What, 25 yards?
Yeah.
Whew. Done got to shaking, buddy.
You ain't shaking, was you?
Oh yeah. If you don't shake at them, you might as well just quit.
Yep.
Pretty good bird.
Oh, he's got some white in his fan too. I like it.
Oh, got the barring in there, don't it?
Yep.
I shot him straight up.
Yep, he's a 3-year-old at least.
They got a little point, don't they?
Yep.
Don't get no better than that, dude. I mean, it could have got better if he'd have come strutting down the road and put on a show, yeah, but.
That was awesome. That was freaking awesome, dude. Look at him, that color in that wing right there, that green.
I reckon he been strutting, putting on a show a little bit. Yeah, look at that, look greenish right there.
Yes, sir. That's pretty turkey right there, boys.
I mean, every one of them pretty, but you get to see them up close. It's just unreal.
Yeah, I believe that TSS got him pretty good.
Yeah, he was looking straight at me.
Was he?
Yeah.
He had no idea you was in the world.
No. I was waiting
you
on
had
him to stop.
You had the sun. I mean, it was
I
perfect.
thought about that when I come around that corner and I seen that sun. I was worried at first because I seen that sun in that grass and I said, wait a minute, it's at my back. He's gonna be blind.
Oh, it was perfect.
Too long beard. He was leading the way.
No wonder they didn't
But
come back.
neither one of them was strutting. Yeah, they had about 6, 7 hens right there.
I heard them all pitch up.
Yeah, I ain't never killed one that's got the barring on the thing.
He's pretty.
Got some points on him. He's probably 3.
Yeah, he ain't a 2-year-old.
No, they ain't blunt at all. He's a 3-year-old, I would say. Of course, it don't bother me how old they are as long as they got a long beard and a gobble.
How you like that 20 gauge?
I like it.
Did a number on him, didn't it?
Oh yeah. First one with it. Believe it's earned it to keep.
I'd say so. Worth every penny. We had to leave them cameras behind this time.
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta crawl them. Dang, I got briars all over me.
Bam!
Little hand up, didn't want to cooperate, so we made the move. And just in time. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes and we probably would have busted.
Yeah, we got there just in time, I know it. I had to fall back.
Pretty heavy bird, Brent.
He's got a big old head on him.
17, maybe 18.
Oh, he's got a big old, goodness gracious.
Pretty good. Oh, ivories. Black tips.
Man, that's a pretty bird.
I love it.
He's been strutting good night.
Been wearing it out, ain't he?
On that strut mark's right beside us.
He was here 15, 20 minutes before we got here.
We heard this bird. I don't know how far you think we heard this.
I didn't hear him that far. I could barely make it out. Old Brent got some ears on him. That's a good, that's every bit of 6. I'd say 400 to 600 yards.
We'd have never known he was here if he wouldn't have been on top of this ridge, Joe.
Yeah, he got the high ground.
We was on a ridge and he was on a ridge, and there's one ridge in between us. And I thought, we were set up on a different location, and we've been sitting there, what, 20 minutes,
Yeah,
15 minutes?
15, 20 minutes.
I told Matt, I said, man, I swear I just heard a turkey gobble. And then it crunk up, and I heard it a couple more times. And
Oh, Matt's deaf. I can't hear good.
we had to drive probably a quarter of a mile around here to get to this spot. Matt knew exactly where they were. And we got back here and nothing gobbling. We started making a loop. I finally heard the turkey gobble over here from the second ridge, the one that was in between us from the first setup.
Okay.
And then we made our way. Matt called right here. He gobbled
at us pretty good.
We tried to call him up. Of course, you'll see nothing. He didn't gobble, he didn't come. So we had to make the move. So, and here he is. Sometimes you gotta crawl him.
Can't call him, crawl him.
Dude, that is freaking phenomenal.